I chose Mr Siddiqui through recommendation. In my field of work, I have a lot of ladies that have cosmetic work done. I actually run an aesthetics clinic. So I meet people that are perhaps not unhappy with themselves, but they perhaps have had other procedures done. So Mr Siddiqui had actually performed surgery on two of my clients, and they were overwhelmed with I'm not overwhelmed. They were overjoyed with their results. So that's how I came to find out about him. And then I did a little bit of research myself online with websites like realself.com, just to check out other people's reviews and experiences. And then from then, I booked a consultation to see Mr Siddiqui in Chester. And I found the first time that I met him, he was very professional, he was very open, but he was very realistic about my expectations, and he really wanted to find out what I thought could be achieved, and then kind of work back from there. He covered everything from side effects to possible complications. And actually, I went into the consultation thinking that I just wanted a tummy tuck and nothing else. And actually, once we'd gone through the consultation and he explained to me the reasons why I would need further treatments, such as